Hey traders, hey, oh my God, you are not going to believe this Spark crypto has just exploded this week. I mean, we're talking a 130% surge. Like, what? It's sitting around $0.052 right now, and if you were hanging out with us during that earlier analysis, you already saw this whole thing unfold. Wild, right? And listen, if you want more setups like that, you've got to check out our Patreon. Seriously, we've been dropping these premium signals over there, like the kind that make you feel like you're finally ahead of the market instead of chasing it. You can even start with the tester plan. It's just 10 bucks. 10. That's like less than what I spent on coffee this morning. The link's in the description and in the comments. Super easy. All right, come on, sit down with me. Let's get into this. Let's start the analysis. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.